Welcome to this video, an introduction to design. We will cover essential design concepts for impactful communication. Design skills are crucial for communicating complex data to non-technical stakeholders through visually appealing charts and dashboards. We'll discuss composition, layout, color theory, and the differences between RGB and CMYK models. In color mixing, we focus on RGB, the additive color model for mixing light, commonly used in screens. CMYK is the subtractive model for mixing color on surfaces, typically used in printing. Since most of our work is on screens, we will focus on the RGB color model. When working with color digitally, three characteristics are key: hue, value, and saturation. Hue is the name of the color. Value refers to its lightness or darkness. Saturation is the purity or intensity of the color. The basic RGB color wheel is made up of primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. When combined, these create a color spectrum wheel, which includes many different hues, tints, and saturations. Color harmonies are specific arrangements on the color wheel for visually pleasing combinations. Monochromatic uses variations of a single color. Analogous uses colors next to each other. Complementary uses colors directly opposite each other. Additional color harmonies include split complementary, triadic, and tetradic. These offer increased complexity and contrast, providing a wide range of possibilities for your designs. Hex codes are a hexadecimal numbering system using 16 characters, 0 to 9, and AF to represent colors in the RGB model. Each color channel uses 2 digits from 00 to FF. Hex codes ensure color consistency across different programs and mediums. Proximity is the visual and spatial relationship between elements. Good proximity places related elements closer and separates unrelated elements for a clear and intuitive layout. White space, or negative space, is the unused space around elements. It refers to the absence of content, text, or graphics, not necessarily the color white. Good white space is evenly distributed for breathing room and balance. Alignment arranges visual elements for order, cohesion, and clarity. Using guides and grids ensures a consistent and cohesive design. Poor alignment, done by sight, results in inconsistency and difficulty in interpretation. Contrast involves distinctions and differences between visual elements, adding structure and separation. Good contrast makes a design more legible and accessible, separating graphics from text for better balance. Hierarchy is used to organize and prioritize visual elements, guiding the viewer's attention and understanding. It makes some elements more interesting than others, helping the viewer digest and navigate the design easily. Repetition involves repeating design elements like shapes or colors across multiple designs within a project to create cohesion and maintain relationships. This maintains clarity and consistency for the viewer.